In the slot again, straight as a arrow, and starts the fifth over with a maximum.
And that's what they need. They need many of those. First delivery gone for 6. Yasin bowling his second over. Another arm delivery, and Abbas was really searching for a length. He can just put it away, and he did it beautifully.
Nicely bowled, but this occasion it's over long on, going above us for another maximum.
Yeah, clean strike. Just ball was drifting down the leg side, and he made sure that he clears his front leg and bring the bat down on time. Beautiful shot.
Full toss and clears the boundary. 3 in 3. Abbas Afridi, the captain, turns it on for Pakistan.
Yeah, he's not gonna give it up. He's not gonna let it go just that easily. And looking for Yorker, got it wrong.
Make it 4 out of 4. This is the biggest out of the first 3. Abbas Afridi, the captain.
Are we gonna see 6 out of 6? Why not? We've seen it in the past here in the 6s. I remember Viv Richard hit 4 6s in a row, needing 22 in the last over, and he won the game for West Indies back in 1990.
Make it 5 out of 5 in the slot, and over the side screen it goes. Abbas Afridi, he's on fire.
Wow, what a shot. He's keeping it simple, isn't he? He's not really trying to go across. He's looking to hit straight, and that's the key for his success in this over.
Full toss, make it 6 out of 6, and guess what? Rubbing salt into the wound. It's been called a no ball. 36 plus the no ball, and plenty of more to come.
Yeah, that's what happens when you put bowler under pressure. He hit him 6, he changed his line, he went around the wicket. Yasin didn't bowl the very good over the first one also. Remember, he decided to go and take the second over also, bowled a no ball.
The first ball right in the slot, and that's the maximum. Now I think after scoring 50, that's Abbas Afridi's half century as well, he has to retire. That is bad news for Pakistan, but good news certainly for Kuwait.
Yeah, but he's given the momentum to Pakistani batters, the rest of them, the belief they were looking for. Shahid Aziz comes in. What about this one? This one also going out of the park. So first 2 deliveries, 2 6s.
Full toss, no, so Yorker. Oh, good attempt, very good attempt, but just the boundary. 13 needed of 3 deliveries.
Boundaries are required, and I think Shahid Aziz won't mind even the ball going for 4. It was going away from the fielder. I thought it was a good try at the end, but just ball.
What a game for the first game of the 2025 season. Down the leg side, a freebie over square leg, and make it 7 needed of 2 deliveries.
What a comeback. Abbas gave them that start. Another 6. The scores are level. What a comeback by Pakistan.
Wow, what hitting. Last 12 deliveries, 10 sixers and a boundary. Turns the heat on for Pakistan. They are doing it in style. Excellent hitting and some average bowling, got to be said. Coming round the wicket and bowling to the pads of Aziz was easy. 1-1. And Pakistan, they clinched the first game. They win it by 4 wickets. Good game, went down to the wire. But credit should go to Pakistan. They never lost hope.